Looking for a digital piano that feels much closer to an acoustic piano without taking up an entire room? Today we're reviewing the Roland FP-30X 88-key digital piano, bundled with an adjustable stand, bench, sustain pedal, online piano lessons, instructional DVD, and polishing cloth. The FP-30X itself features Roland's PHA-4 Standard 88-key weighted keyboard, supernatural piano sound engine, Bluetooth connectivity, and powerful stereo speakers. But is this bundle a smart choice for beginners and developing pianists? Let's find out. The Roland FP-30X is designed as a portable digital piano that balances authentic piano feel with modern digital features. Its 88 full-size weighted keys use Roland's PHA-4 Standard action, including hammer action, escapement, and ivory feel key surfaces. That makes it a more serious instrument for learning proper piano technique than a basic unweighted keyboard. And because the bundle includes a stand, bench, and sustain pedal, you get much of what you need to create a dedicated home playing setup right out of the box. Let's start with the most important part of any digital piano, the keys and sound. The FP-30X uses Roland's supernatural piano sound engine, designed to deliver expressive piano tones across different playing dynamics. The PHA-4 Standard keyboard gives you 88 weighted keys with escapement and ivory feel, providing resistance and response that encourages proper playing technique. Roland also lists up to 256 note polyphony and a wide selection of built-in sounds, including electric pianos, organs, strings, and synthesizer sounds. So you're not limited to practicing traditional piano pieces. You can experiment with different sounds as your playing develops. The FP-30X also brings several useful digital features. Its built-in stereo speaker system provides 22 watts of total rated power, making it suitable for everyday home practice without immediately needing external speakers. You also get Bluetooth audio and MIDI connectivity, which can be useful for playing along with music, taking online lessons, or connecting with compatible music apps. Roland supports apps including the Roland Piano app and Apple GarageBand, giving the piano additional functionality beyond simply playing its built-in sounds. And with dual headphone outputs, you can practice quietly when you don't want to disturb anyone else. The bundle itself adds practical accessories, including the adjustable stand, bench, sustain pedal, instructional materials, and polishing cloth. In everyday use, the FP-30X is particularly appealing for beginners and intermediate players who want an instrument they can grow into. The weighted key action provides a more substantial playing experience than lightweight keyboards, while the supernatural sound engine gives you plenty of expressive range. Bluetooth connectivity also makes practice more interactive, especially when you're following lessons or playing along with audio. However, it's important to remember that a portable digital piano still won't reproduce every aspect of an acoustic grand piano. Some experienced players find the PHA-4 action somewhat different from higher-end Roland keybeds, and owner discussions show that key feel can be highly subjective. So, is the Roland FP-30X bundle worth buying? If you want an 88-key weighted digital piano with realistic feeling action, expressive sound, Bluetooth connectivity, strong built-in speakers, and a complete home setup, it's a very compelling option. The bundle is especially attractive for beginners, returning pianists, students, and home musicians who want more than a basic keyboard. The biggest thing to consider is whether you prefer the FP-30X's PHA-4 key feel compared with competing Yamaha, Kawai, or Casio models. But overall, the combination of weighted 88-key action, supernatural sound, Bluetooth features, and the included stand, bench, and accessories makes this a strong all-in-one digital piano package. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of digital pianos, keyboards, music gear, instruments, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.